Got a Fiat that's sitting idle, costing you money, or just taking up space? Cash for Cars Perth buys all Fiat models in any condition and pays you on the spot. Whether your Fiat 500 has done its last kilometer, your Ducato has been in an accident, or your Punto is just too expensive to repair, we want to buy it. We buy the full range: the 500, 500C, 500X, the Freemont, Doblo, Panda, Punto, Ritmo, Scudo, and more. Old, wrecked, damaged, undrivable. It does not matter to us. The process is straightforward. You send us a few photos of your Fiat, outside, inside, and the odometer, along with the age and model. Our team will come back to you with a fair, transparent cash offer. No games, no haggling. We assess your vehicle honestly and tell you exactly what it is worth. Once you accept, we handle everything from there. Our towing partners will come to you at no cost, on the same day, wherever you are in Perth. We cover the full metro area: Fremantle, Joondalup, Rockingham, Midland, Ellenbrook, Vale, Armadale, Osborne Park, Hillary's, Bibra Lake, and every suburb in between. You do not need to drive the car anywhere or organize anything. When we pick up your Fiat, you get paid straight away, cash on the spot, or via Osco, which lands in your account within 60 seconds of handover. No waiting around, no chasing up payments. We are also a local business that takes the recycling side seriously. Where possible, Fiat parts are upcycled through our network of salvage partners, so your vehicle is handled responsibly. If your Fiat is gathering dust, do not let it sit there any longer. A quick inquiry online or a phone call is all it takes. We will handle the rest, from paperwork through to pickup. Ready to turn your Fiat into cash? Get in touch with Cash for Cars Perth today. Give us a call on 0420-262-651 or come see us at 5 Hancock Place, Welshpool, Perth. We are your local Fiat car buyers here in Western Australia, and we make the whole thing easy.